So in this final video of the course, I just want to show you how you can add email service specific tags into your emails. So what I mean by that is things like an unsubscribe link or the monkey rewards that we need to add if we're on the free MailChimp account. So if you remember from a couple of videos ago when we created that notification test campaign, before we could send it, we needed to add the unsubscribe link and the rewards tag to our email template. So if we click on this unsubscribe link here, we'll get the MailChimp support documentation that tells us that we need to add this unsubscribe link to our email template. So what we're going to do, as I say, is have a look at how we do that inside of RapidWeaver. And the reason we want to do that is because we then get control over where this is placed and how it is styled inside of our email. Now again, depending on the service you're using will depend on the tag that you need to add to your email. As I say, I'm using MailChimp, however this is pretty much the same for all of the other major email services. So what I'm going to do is just copy that tag, then we're going to go back to RapidWeaver. And on the notification email, what we need to do is add an unsubscribe link to the bottom of the email. So I'm going to add it inside of this text stack here. So this says that the emails was sent to abc@123.com. What we're going to add below here is an unsubscribe link. So we're just going to say unsubscribe. Then in there, what we do is highlight the text and select the link option inside of RapidWeaver. In the URL field, all we need to do is place the unsub tag that was given to us by MailChimp, then set the link. Finally, what we need to do is add that rewards tag. So if we go back to Safari and we have a look at the pre-delivery checklist, you'll see we needed to add this rewards tag. And this is only because we are on the free MailChimp account. If you're on a paid MailChimp account, you don't need to add this unless you want to. However, we're going to copy that, go back to RapidWeaver and paste that in there, like so. And that's all we need to do. Now what we can do is go and export this, or what I'm going to actually do is publish this locally in the same way we did in the previous video, and then I'm going to upload it as a new template inside of MailChimp. So back to Safari, go to the home page, and then templates, and create a template again. We're going to code our own and we're going to import a zip. So on the desktop here, we go to the exported emails, notification, choose these two items, then compress them. Then we'll go back to MailChimp here. We'll say new notification and we will browse for that zip file. Inside our exported email folder, this notification, and then archive.zip. Choose that and upload. Now we'll see that we've got those two tags inside of here with an unsubscribe link and the rewards tag as well. So now we can save and exit. And actually I just noticed there, if we go back to edit, you'll see that that image is missing, and that's because I forgot inside of RapidWeaver on the notification email we don't want to prepend the web address here. So let's remove that and re-upload our notification template. So I'm just going to publish that update to the local folder. Then we will go back to Safari. I'm going to go and create a new template. So templates, create a template, code your own, import a zip. We'll call this new notification, and in the exported email folder, notifications, choose those files again, compress the two items, then come back here and browse for that. We'll choose archives2.zip, choose it and upload. Once that's done, our logo is being displayed and we've got the unsubscribe and the rewards tag there. Now we can save and exit. Now if we go and create another campaign, so we'll create a new campaign, an email, We'll just call this regular. We'll call this new notification. We'll send it to the entire link, or the entire list, sorry. We'll just give this a new notification test subject. Go next. Now we want to use a save template again, and we want to use this new notification. And that will be fine. We'll click next. And now you'll see that we don't get that warning about not having an unsubscribe link or the rewards tag because we added those inside of RapidWeaver. So we managed that ourselves, and that is a good way to have control over the styling of your email. If we hadn't added that unsubscribe link as we did in a previous video when we first created the notification email template, MailChimp will automatically add that for us, and that is because by law you need to have an unsubscribe link on all your emails. So MailChimp are forced to add that for us, and that means that we lose a little bit of control and styling over the emails, and it can make your brand or your company look a little bit unprofessional. So I would suggest that you go ahead and add the unsubscribe link to all of the email templates that you build inside of RapidWeaver. Okay, having said that, we are done. We now know how to build, design and export emails from RapidWeaver and add them to an online service such as MailChimp. I really hope you've enjoyed this course, and I can't wait to see the emails that you start building inside of RapidWeaver.